more from me.
Free beauty tips, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Beauty and Health with Dr. K.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to my show, live on my page, Beauty and Health by Dr. K. So, yung topic ko ngayon is about facial reflexology, facial acupuncture. So, I will teach you how to have a clearer face. So, at first, ituro ko muna yung mga facial features. So, yung side ng face, is dito yan is large intestine. So dito rin siya is a part of also of the lung area. The tip of the nose is the pancreas. Underneath is the heart. The forehead is the liver. And naputol yung live ko. Okay, one moment. Because, ba't naputol yung live ko? Keep editing. Okay. Discard post.
Nakadata ka ba?
Oo.
You wanna go?
Yeah, I think I have live here. Sandali, i-add ko ta ulit. Pwede na calendar. Okay, continuation of what we've learned. We have lots of reflexology. Reflexology always connected with endings, nerve endings. Kung sa hands, we have reflexology of the hands. We have reflexology on the feet, the ears, and the face. So now, ang ituturo ko is about the face. So, yung face, kaya tayo minsan nagkakaroon ng eye bags because the draining function is underneath the eyes, the kidney. So it means ang lymphatic drainage within the kidney is not normal. So yung marami siyang blockage. So kaya minsan as we grow older, nagkakaroon na siya ng eye bags. So kidney and the side is large intestine, heart dito. A tip is the pancreas. The tip also in the middle of the eye is the liver. And small intestine dito sa taas, as well as dito sa gilid is liver, also and gallbladder. So, a little bit sa lungs, and underneath is the reproductive organ. So, stretching and massaging your face is not one night only. You have to do it every day. So, kasi noon yung bago pa ako maging acupuncturist, vain na ako gusto ko nang maging banat ang face na to look younger. So, I have this equipment. Kung meron kayo nito, it's called gua sha. You can buy it from the dollar store. So, ito rin yung ginagamit ko. Sometimes you can have the stone. Mabibili mo rin to sa dollar store. And I also have this suction cup. The small suction cup. Ito yung pambanat din ng face. And I also have this metal gua sha. Sometimes metal is very good because the skin is negative and the metal is positive. If you're in the mountain, because I have already 233K followers, so most likely some of them, there are parts in Africa, meron din siyang Middle East part, all over the world. So if they don't have, you cannot buy such stone. Spoon is also very good. You can use it, the cheapest one you can have. So kung saan man kayo part ng Pilipinas, na you cannot have all this equipment, at least may chance kayo magbanat ng face nyo. But beforehand, so you have to do facial stretching and facial massage morning and night. Hindi siya magic. Hindi siya pwedeng sabihin na isang araw lang. You have to do it consistently because you cannot see the effect kung ngayong araw lang, bukas wala. So, consistent. Kasi doon ko nanonotice na pag continuous mo siyang ginagawa, mas maganda siya, mas magiging banat siya. Lalo na kapag yung nagkakaedad na tayo, yung eyelid, nagdo-drooping na siya. So, parang doon mo na sabing, oh my gosh, hindi na ako yung gaya 5 years ago, hindi na ako gaya ng itsura ko nung 10 years ago. So, by this time, kung continue mo itong gagawin, you might come back with the younger one you were before. So, okay, before, of course, kailangan malinis ang kamay. Wash properly. So, hindi ako nag-makeup ngayon para I can demonstrate it. So, hand sanitizer. So, okay. So, ang magical oil ay, for me, I'm using Ayurveda oil. Medyo expensive siya. Pero, the most natural one is either coconut oil. Easy lang yun bilhin. You can have it. And olive oil. Olive oil is good for the skin as well. So, kung malinis na ang kamay natin, so itong na-demonstration, this is what I've been doing. And then, you know, parang you wanted to have it fast forward, na sabing, oh my gosh, kailan ba ito mag-e-effect? Hindi siya constant na sabing ngayon. So, at first, kasi lalo na kung medyo saggy na ang face, at medyo nagkakaedad na tayo, lighter lang muna. Pero if you're a bit younger, you can do it more aggressively. So, kung let's say, ito yung gua siya. You can have it from the dollar store. Ito yung unang ginagamit ko. So, pag sa face, malinis ang kamay mo, you have to wash your hand. You wake up mo muna yung veins and nerves mo sa face. Tap, tap, tap lang. But para ako kasi parang gusto ko talagang magigising lahat ng mga kalamnan. Sinasampal-sampal ko sarili ko. But then, the proper technique is just by tapping. So, itap-tap mo lang siya, maybe a minute or two. Kasi sa ako may timer, 15 minutes talaga ginagawa-gawa ko dyan. Imagine, love yourself. Massage your face every day, at least 5 minutes for a start. Pag talagang being ka, kahit traffic light, kasi ko po minamasahe ko yung mukha ko para lang maging banat. That no one would gonna say, I'm 53 years old. Pero sabihin ko, okay, I can have it all the looks that I have. Kasi alam ko yung mga technique. So, kung natap mo na, I start with the kidney. Yung ibanat mo siya, i-stretch mo a little bit ang underneath nito, and then you do up. Upward mo siyang i-stretch mo siya. Maybe start with 5 or 10. Sa akin kasi, aggressive na talaga ako. Nung una pa lang, ginawa ko ng 50 eh. I didn't start. Pero pag nag-effect siya na pinkish-pinkish, ibig sabihin nun, the circulation already started there. So, both side. Yan. Pero nung nakita ko na tong stone, mas maganda siya. So, you have to a little bit stretch. Mas maganda siyang diin niya, yung parang uplift, and then you have to lift it higher. Going out to the ear side. Ito, ganyan siya. Ayan. And then, yung sabi ko sa yung eyelid, yan, kasi dyan talaga nagdo-droopy yung muscles. So, kailangan, i-lift mo naman siya higher, and then close your eyes, i-side mo siya. For a start, sabi ko 10, but then if you really wanted to have a positive effect, so kailangan mo maybe 10, 20. Naku, sa akin ngayon, Diyos ko, 50 times. Kaya kailangan gusto kong mabanat ka agad, because the more you do it, the more na, parang kasi doon makikita yung age natin pag yung nagdo-droopy na yung eyelid doon sa mata. So, pag naglalagay ka ng eyeshadow, hindi na siya clear, hindi na siya yung makikita mo yung color kasi nagdo-droopy na yung eyelid. So, yan, stretch mo siya. Okay, so, naano mo na yung kidney part ng face mo. So, do it, ganyan. And then, pagdating dito, stretch mo rin siya sa side. So, dito yung liver and gallbladder side. Yeah, going the side siya, ganyan. Dito rin siya. Tapos, siyempre, marami na tayong lines dito sa noo. Lots of lines in the forehead. So, you lift from your head up, and then you stretch, go up. There. You love yourself. Even just to do it before bedtime. Ma-activate mo rin yung mga organs in the face, and then activation of the facial massage is also you activate some of your organs na it could be connected lahat sa katawan mo. So, ganyan. And then, ang secret din ng mata is the yuyaw. In between the eyebrow is called yuyaw. That's my top secret why I have my good vision. 53 na ako, wala akong glasses because I've been doing this every day. So kung gusto mong to clear the area, yung pag-press mo, let's say may pain siya. Pag pain, you have to release it. So kasi pag pain siya, may pain siya, tightness yun. So kailangan counterclockwise, going to the left. So kung may pain ka, anywhere part of your face, may pain, counterclockwise yun. So you have to release it because may pain. But kung gusto mo magbanat, going clockwise, going to the right, kasi gusto mo magbanat ang face, tightness, and then loosening up. So kung loosening up, it means may pain, i-loosen up mo siya, counterclockwise, going to the left. Pero kung gusto mo naman siya na maging banat ang skin mo, going to the right. So yan yung sa eyes area. You always make sure clean your hands ha, kasi may tendency na kapag maruming kamay natin, may tendency na some of the droplets mapunta sa mata natin, and then of course mag-cause ng red eyes, magka-sore eyes. So very sensitive ang face. So kailangan always make sure before you touch your face, clean your hands, alcohol, sanitizer, and wash your hand twice or 3 times bago ka mag-massage ng face mo. So we finished already the forehead and the side. And also, so, yung malalaman din kasi minsan ng age, yung tawag nilang nasolabial fold. Yung may fold ka na dito. Even may mga 20s akong mga minsan nakikita, may fold na siya. It's because nagsasagi ng skin. So, nag-compress na siya. So, all you have to do is you lift it higher. Ganyan siya. Ay, naku, alam nyo lang, Lola, kung pagod na ako yung strategy, may pagod na ako. Imagine I have to go home. Sometimes 9 at night. Pero nagbabanat pa rin talaga ako ng face ko. Hindi pwedeng magsagi ang face ng Lola pag uwi. So, kailangan stretch na stretch yan. And then, going down. Pag sa baba na, sa reproductive organ dito, sa chin, going down na. Kasi ito na yung lymph drainage natin. So, lahat yan going up. Ganyan siya. And then going up. And then, ito yung sinasabi kong suction cup. Yung maliliit siya, I bought this from Amazon. So from there, you suck it down. There you go. So, maraming orasyon to Kaya kailangan if you love yourself, you have to do it every day. So suction siya, and then you go it down. Kung wala kang ganito, you can move your hand. Di ba nalagay mo na siya sa taas, you stretch all the face, and from the side, you go it down. And then, the platysma, dito na kasi ang lymph drainage. The neck is always going down. You can also use, but for me, I'm using this metal kasi mas heavier siya, mas maganda siya. So, from the neck, you press it down. You put a little bit of oil. Kasi sa akin, yung gayang ginawa ko to, yung Ayurveda oil. And then, kasi masakit siya pag walang oil. Don't use mineral oil, okay? Don't use mineral oil in your face kasi nagbablock yun ng pores. So, it's not advisable to use mineral oil on the face. Mineral oil is also good for the outside the skin. Pero sa pag-face kasi, may tendency yan na magbablock ng pores dun sa magkaka-develop ng pimples. So, much better na wala na siya. Na parang yun na lang yung natural na olive oil, coconut oil. So, pag sa neck na siya, ganyan na. Yes.
Nag-request ng shout-out or greetings for mga viewers.
Thank you for watching to Milet Fermin, Monet Baring of Las Vegas, Nevada, Omre Pagtakhan, by the Pagtakhan. Thank you for watching. So, I'm so glad that nanonood kayo. So, kaya kailangan beautifulness. So, kaya ang business ko kasi beauty and health. So, kaya ngayon, I'm teaching the beauty. Kasi the more na stretch ang face natin, sometimes, if you keep forcing it too hard, nagpipinky siya. Pero it's normal. But don't press too hard kasi baka ma-disturb mo yung capillary, yung maliliit na veins, and magka-bruising. Pangit naman yung pag may bruise. Pag nagka-bruising, of course, the tendency, you have to use ice. Kasi ang ice ay anti-inflammatory. But as much as possible, yung carry lang yung pressure. So, ang ganda-ganda ng, kahit na alam mo sa traffic light, even my daughter, we're gonna say, Mom, what you doing? I said, shut up. I just sanitize my hand. I have my mini stone sa kotse ko pag nag-traffic light. Kuskus, sige, kuskus ang lola. Kasi yung parang, sabi mo, ay naku, tatanda na, ayoko magalit. That's why anger also will affect your face. So, always be happy, smiling, but not too much smile kasi pag too much smile naman kasi nag-stretch masyado. So, we're going back to nasolabial fold. Ito yung kasi yung makikita na parang may line ka na. So, ayaw ko noon makikita ng ganun na parang may line ka na. So, banat-banatin mo siya. Ganun. Kasi aside from that, you can also stretch dito yung large intestine. Kung constipated ka, maganda rin to pagbanat sa side ng ano. Tapos yung gilid ng nose natin, ito yung LI20 at bitong, yung pag may baradong ilong mo na parati may problem ka ng sinus, yan, maganda siya. As what I've said, kung pain, counterclockwise, right? Counterclockwise mo. Pero kung gusto mong i-activate siya na mag-tighten siya, clockwise. Kasi clockwise tightening, counterclockwise loosening. So, kung may pain siya, dapat i-loosen mo siya kasi may masakit siya. So, in anywhere, massage is very good. Pressure sa face mo. Kung let's say headache, sa side, temporal headache, always counterclockwise. Pag may pain, counterclockwise. Kung gusto mong stretch and strengthening, clockwise. So, yun ang mga technique na applicable sa atin kasi pag masyado naman nating, in any pain, depende na kasi tayo sa pain reliever or anything. And also, if you're not following me, follow me from Dr. Karen Grace Caday. I've taught there how to release pain, anong mga points ang kailangan mo para mag-release ka ng pain. And I've been teaching the SEM. Alam niyo yung SEM tawag na sternocleidomastoid, yung big muscles dito. You can ma-determine mo yun, pressing your head against your hand. Makikita mo yung big muscles. Yun ang SEM. Massaging them downward. Pag may headache ka, press mo yun. Parang ma-feel mo na trigger yung sa head mo. So, press it downward. It's really good. Ito rin ang very good, easy way. Magbababa rin ng blood pressure kung sakaling masakit yung tawag nun. Yung mataas ang BP mo kasi may tendency blood pressure, pain sa back, sa nape mo, plus headache. So, it would really helpful. So, I also taught there the earliest remedy if you're in pain, and I also taught there sa mga previous videos ko about heart attack, and when will be the last time na critical ang condition mo na pumunta ka. We have lots things to learn, and I'm so grateful na I was given a chance and I can refresh what I have blogged in my page, Dr. Karen Grace Caday. Lots of things there that it gives me an idea na I can help, even it's not really 100%, but at least to release the pain and tension. Ilang na tagat ba kuya? Let me know if you have 30 because I only have so lahat ng bagay na yon. So that's why I said even sa face, the middle of the head, aside from the heart point, this one is the yin tang. Yin tang is very good. Insomnia. Kung hindi ka nakakatulog, just press this one in the middle. It's very good also. The UB2 is also very good kung hindi ka nakakatulog. Especially as we grow older, hindi na tayo nakakatulog. So, massaging the middle is also very good, and also behind the ears, yan. So, it's very good also for insomnia, kung hindi ka nakakatulog. And in anything, magical point ito yung Do20, yung tip of the ears, in the middle here, i-press mo lang siya. Counterclockwise kung masakit, and then also for activation of the brain, clockwise. Itong mga magical point yan, Do20, LI4, yung middle dito, REM 17, middle ng nipple mo, REM 17 ang tawag dyan. So, underneath ng nose, in between here, emergency point din yan. Kung sakaling you feel like fainting, o kung parang gusto mong ma-pass out ka, very good to. And then also very good to sa kung hinimatay na, or maybe on the thing na hinimatay na yung, let's say, family mo, Do20 is very good. Do26 is very good also. I-press mo lang siya dito, plus all the tips of the fingers, marirevive dyan sila. So, at least before 911, at least you have given an emergency thing to the person. So, yun lang muna yung most likely, kasi beauty muna tayo, pababanat ng face, aside from you make your face stretch, you also woken up, ginigising mo rin yung mga nerves na connected siya. Kasi imagine, lahat ng organs mo, you can press it through your face. I have treated Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy is a drooping na yung face, yung mga nerve function niya nagsasagi na. So, of course, needle will help. Plus, if you feel like yung parang hindi na siya stronger yung muscles mo, you press it. You press it. Yung zygomatic bone, you press it counterclockwise kasi loosen up. You have, because very tight yun. Pag very tight ang muscles, it tendency to compress all the nerves. So, kung ma-compress ang nerves, masakit siya. So, you give the relaxed tendency dun sa mga muscles by pressuring a little bit counterclockwise. So, also, pag after pala ng mga face mo, hindi nagbanat na siya, protect your eyes. Warm your hands. And then, ito rin maganda kung parang dried eyes ka kasi. So, warm your hands, a little bit warmer, and then you put it in your eyes. So, para moisture, our eyes need moisture. Kaya, ang top secret ko rin kasi, why I'm at my age 53, I don't have dry eyes. I cried a lot kasi maraming drama ang buhay. So that's why if you cry, may moisture sa mata kasi madrama ang buhay ko. Kaya I always cry. So yun ang mga relieving points ko. Kaya siguro it helps kasi hindi siya nagdadry ang mata natin. That's why we put eye drops pag masyadong dry. Kung ears naman, that's why we tendency to have vertigo because blockage of the ears. So i-warm up mo rin ang hands mo and then you pump. Pag parang feeling mo na may nag-bzz, ganun-ganun, ibig sabihin na parang may hangin, i-warm up mo lang hands mo and i-pump. Especially dito sa amin, malamig, wherever you are in Canada, if you feel like your ears is painful and bursting, you just warm up your hand and you pump it like this. So, I think I have shown and everything about the face. Basta, if you, for a start, I think you should start 10 times lang muna pagbanat-banat ng face. Pero kung gusto mong aggressive talaga and advances ng mga technique, maybe you can do 20. May patient nga ako na nung sinabi ko sa kanya na sa face ba about it, sabi niya, ay girl, ang ganda. Kasi ginawa ko na yung 50. Bumili siya ng 2 stone para banatin niya. Gumagano siya araw-araw. Sabi ng anak niya, sabi niya, what you doing, mom? Sabi niya, I wanted to look younger. So, yun na mga sekreto. Kasi, but if you wanted more thing, I'm in Fort Saskatchewan. I have my business. That's why I open a facial clinic as well. Aside, I'm Dr. Acupuncture. I'm a massage therapist. I open hydrofacial, facial cleaning. May machine talaga ako na nandun yung talagang yung may radio frequency, may biometric frequency, may lahat na lang ng mga pang-kuryente na gigising talaga sa mga nerves mo. It really works. Kasi 3 times ko pa lang siya nagamit. Of course, I own the machine. So, parang maganda talagang banat ng face. So, if you want, I'm in Fort Saskatchewan.
Those beauty tips is also applicable to male.
Oh, yeah.
Bilang babae.
Of course. What I've been telling is all men and women, you can use it. Kasi may marami na rin lalaking pumupunta. Akala ko nga, sabi ko, oh my gosh, she's so vain. Pero actually, no. Kasi pag younger looking ka, it adds confidence. And also, thank you to Bernardo Pagsanhan. Come on down. No. Thank you for watching. And then, sa lahat ng mga friends ko, I know you've been watching here. Or maybe later on na after the live, they can watch it.
You can tell how many viewers you have.
Oh,
The past week.
oh, you remember the one, I don't know if you watched the one we have with Sis Ludi, interview with Sis Ludi. Oh my gosh, 605K, more than 500,000 nanonood sa amin all over the world. Oh my gosh, sikat na kami ni Sis Ludi. I just couldn't believe it when I saw it. Oh my goodness, sabi ko, sikat na kami. 605,000 views. So, sumisikat na tayo. We're growing. Actually, hindi ko naman akalain na 233,000 wanted to follow me. I only started October 25, 2025. I just started of sharing my knowledge and everything like this. So, everybody is watching. So, it's good because I opened that when you have your Facebook, you wanted to be trending, there's a setting there that you will have to open your country and regions. So, I've seen somebody who thought na, sabi daw, open mo yun para maging trending ka. Yun, mula nung inopen ko yun, nagdadagdag siya mga a week, mga naging 5,000 na ako, 25. Ngayon, 233 ng lola nyo. And then imagine yung view namin ni Sis Ludi yung last time, 605K. Ngayon ko lang natingnan, oh my goodness, sikat na kami. Ganda-ganda namin dalawa. More than 500,000 who watched it. So oh my gosh, I just couldn't believe. So,
Gusto nila magpa-beauty siguro.
oo naman, kasi everybody wanted to look young. Ikaw ba naman kung our body has a natural tendency to develop more cells. Kung healthy yung kinakain natin, we avoid stress. Kasi yung avoid yung mga free radicals, yun kasi ang nagkukos ng mga sakit-sakit natin. So kung healthy ang kinakain natin, more cells ang gina-develop. So keep in mind, a group of cells will form into tissue, a group of tissue will form into organs, a group of organs will form into system, and system composes the human body. So kung cells pa lang damage na, so ano naman i-develop sa katawan natin? So in order for us to develop more normal cells, healthy food talaga, complete meal, rest, tulog-tulog din pag may time, pahinga-hinga din pag may time, hindi lang puro trabaho. I know we need money, but also we need rest as well. So hopefully you learn more. Follow me sa page, and then every other Monday I'll be here. So my next schedule will be 23. It started now, so every other Monday I'll be here to discuss more. So if you have some questions, message me in this in this story, and then I will learn, I will discuss more, and then look for some information about it o kung ano mang tanong nyo. We are TCM, Traditional Chinese Medicine. We are different from medical doctors. So I only advise according to my knowledge in TCM, because medical doctors, they are called Western medicine, and we are traditional Chinese medicine. So we are Eastern medicine. So yung acupuncturist, herbalist, mga ibang alternative medicine, we are Eastern medicine. So yung mga medical doctor, they are surgeons, yung natatrabaho talaga sa hospital. So our knowledge is different, but we are in the same. Good health para sa lahat. So thank you, and I think you've learned more from me. So follow my page, and then also I'll be here every other Monday, and then tagkilikin ng sariling atin. Thank you to Brad Dario and to Sis Ludi for inviting me here. Hope lahat ng mga nanonood learned more from whatever it is for the face for now, and then later on we can have some organs na talagang may mga critical condition. I can help. 100%, not 100% that it can cure right away, but at least give idea that to motivate you how to have mga emergency points na in case may ganito kang condition, ano ba talagang kailangan mo para maging healthy ka, na kung sakaling severe na sakit ng ulo mo, you just don't go to emergency. Oh my gosh, you have to stay 5 hours in emergency room. Pero kung may mga points kang alam na a little bit to help you out, it's a very good thing. Yeah.
So, what our viewers can expect on the next episode?
So next episode, I'm planning to introduce the Qi, the Yin, and the Yang. Everybody was questioning, ano ba yun? Bakit may ganun kayo? So I will explain not in so much detail, but to give discussion kung ano ba yung Qi. Ano ba sinasabi nilang Qi? Ano ba yung Yin and Yang? I wanted everybody to have familiar what are our knowledge regarding the health, the human body, because for us, our body composed of Qi, and then it organized with the Yin and the Yang, opposite, positive, negative, day and night. Anong organs ang Qi, anong organs ang Yin, anong organs ang Yang, anong connection niya. So for now, beauty muna tayo, and health about Qi, Yin, and Yang will be the next chapter for that. So hopefully you've learned more, and then So kung may mga questions, you can PM me, message me. And to those here in Edmonton, my cell phone number, text lang so I don't answer call, 780-885-8349. Dr. Karen Grace Kaday, Dr. Easy. Beauty and Health by Dr. K. So thank you for watching, and then hope you've learned more. And then beautiness. Kailangan magganda tayong lahat. God created us as perfect as He is. So pareho tayo nun. Kaya kailangan maganda tayo. Age is just a number. Huwag mong isipin na kung anong edad mo. Numero lang yan. And then whatever you're feeling, kung feeling young ka, go! Kung kailangan maging batang paningin ng lahat sa atin. So, thank you for watching, and then hope you learn more from me. Beauty and Health by Dr. K. Thank you.